Hi everyone, so I'm Emma Raw, I'm the marketing manager for dotSurvey. We're going to do a little bit of a demo and we'd like some honest feedback as well.
Need to collect customer data? With dotSurvey, it's a piece of cake. It lets you create fully branded, professional online surveys and web forms that look just like they're part of your website. dotSurvey comes with our unique Easy Editor, which lets you custom build any survey or form by simply dragging and dropping the elements you need. And our copycat tool perfectly matches your survey to your brand. Type in the URL of the page you want to mimic, and the copycat will give you an exact copy. Check out how easy it is to make room for your new survey or form. Put in a placeholder, and then your survey. Done. You can also embed the survey in your website using the generated code. Then, analyze it. Our good-looking dashboards with animated graphs, colourful charts, and advanced reports are the cherry on top.
The vibe in the dotSurvey office is brilliant. We've got a table football table where it comes bash out ideas whilst having a good game.
We've got post-it notes being stuck up all over the place.
Oh yeah, it's a very relaxed environment and it's just fun.
I find dotSurvey really easy to use. It's very intuitive to put together. It's very responsive and it also creates a professional look and feel. We can get it looking like our own page is around the survey, so when people are landing on it, they believe they're still on your website.
dotSurvey soft launched last year, and really the idea was that it was meant to be a really easy tool to use. So you could just jump in and actually make whatever you want within a couple of minutes. We've kind of got this product to a point now where it does everything that the survey tool needs to do, but one, how do we get it out there further? Really, we've only launched it to our current .mailer clients. We really need to get it out there to the rest of the world. And two, do we start to look at things like specialising down certain routes? Do we go down sort of the HR angle or market research and stuff like that? So really, from you guys, we'd just like some really honest feedback, and we've got a couple of questions at the end of the presentation and demo that we'd love to get your thoughts. So now I'm going to hand you over to Annie and Adam, who are the developers of the tool, and they're going to run you through a demo.
I'm just going to quickly knock together a basic survey to show you some of the better features of survey. So here I am on the Choose a Template page. There's some sort of standard kind of templates like contact form, customer satisfaction survey, all of that kind of stuff. But for the purpose of this, I'll start from scratch. For anybody that's used the Microsoft Office product, it looks very familiar already. You've got the standard kind of toolbars across the top. On the left-hand side, you've got a sidebar with 3 tabs, Build, Style, and Configure, which allows you to create the actual survey. And down the bottom, you've got Page tabs, which is very similar to the way Excel works. So let's just knock together like a really basic survey. We'll drag in an image, upload the logo. So don't pitch me, bro. Next up, we'll start asking you guys some questions, I guess. So the first thing we'd like to find out is how you would rate each of the beards of 3 beards. So as you'll notice, this is a very sort of WYSIWYG kind of editor. Most of the editing is done within the edit bin itself. So we'll just put the names of the 3 beards in here. The next thing we'd like to find out is if you enjoyed our cupcakes tonight or not. So we'll put in a multiple choice. If you didn't like our cupcakes, because we thoroughly enjoyed them ourselves, we'd like to know why. So this gives us the opportunity to demonstrate the kind of branching element of a product. So using the pages, we have page-based branching. So on page 2, we're going to ask you for further details. So you only see that if you didn't like the cupcakes. So if we preview that, you see how sort of WYSIWYG the product is. You can see this is exactly what the end respondent will see when they are filling in the survey. The logo itself isn't enough of a branding exercise, so I just want to quickly demonstrate our copycat tool. Create new surround. We'll put in the 3Beard website. We're going to embed the survey effectively in the 3Beards website. So the copycat tool allows us to very quickly sort of remove some elements to make space for the survey. Get all the content like that. Collapse it down. Right, so now we can put in a placeholder where we want our survey to appear. So now our survey will appear in what it looks like. So we can very quickly brand it as such. So back in the editor, we can now preview the survey. So there we have it. Right.
Hey, yeah, really good pitch. I was really impressed. I know. This is true. I think we all really like that feature where you embed it in the blog, because I think one of as a UX designer myself, one of the most challenging things is actually getting people to fill out those forms. Because there's a Fluey survey, I don't know if you know about them, and they do, they call themselves SurveyMonkey, beta. I was going to say, do you have any questions that are pre-populated already to help people actually ask questions worth answering? Or is it just the kind of look and feel that you help users with?
We have a template library at the start. You can pick predefined templates, so that way you've got a starting point.
The questions themselves are pre-populated?
No, we don't by default. You can pre-populate questions. You can enter in suggestions for what they respond to, and you can also add a watermark for additional suggestions.
Hi, great demo, not pitch. The copycat is a really good feature. I work in advertising and have had to do a fair bit of research, and I think, kind of linked to this guy's question, if you almost built a marketplace for research questions, so I was like, okay, I'm launching this, are there any kind of people who've already done surveys on this, and I could kind of get their surveys, that would be a really good value add, I think. So that's maybe just something else to bear in mind. But I think going down the research route, if you were going to specialize, is probably a good one to go down because, working in advertising and having to do research a lot, it is quite hard to get people to fill stuff out. So if it can be within that branded environment of your own page, then that's definitely a good value add. And the fact that it's so easy to use is definitely something that will give you plus points over SurveyMonkey.
Hi there. Regards your last request, which is any ideas to promote it, I'm always attracted to mischief, and it seems to me that if your main competitor is SurveyMonkey, then your job metaphorically is to spank the monkey. And this might be relevant as well because I'm from the Daily Spank, but I thought maybe you could do a survey where you put up lots of different logos of a monkey being spanked, and you say that this is going to be your next logo and which is the best, and you send it out in the world, and I think people might enjoy that.
I think Ched's just designed you a whole marketing campaign. Excellent. Right. Thank you very much to the dotSurvey team.